that? Is that a bald eagle? No, that's a crow who stole an egg on the 4th of July. Let's go swimming in the river. It's hot as hell, but I hear thunder. I'm 9 years old, breaststroke. I'm running to Dad's car. No, I'm here. I am 25. I don't have 20 minutes for your phone and keys are in my sneaker. Behind a pine I am a streaker. My friends are smiling underwater. I jump the bank, a lanky otter. I am looking at water, hitting water. And I am the rock. I am the eddy. I am my roommates in love. I am blackberry jelly. I am the weir. I am the spillway. We are singing, drinking at the dam. I am a cartoon Callahan. I am the man. Getting struck by lightning. Huddled under the tire, sculptor's tarp. We are laughing and breathing hard. My knee is bloody from scrambling out. The rain finally quit, and we all split an elephant ear. And I went and talked to you for the first time in at least a year. And I felt bad. Your mom said I was a ghost back from the dead, and I didn't quite know how to respond to that. Looking at your art on the table, cause I'm not a ghost. On the 4th of July.